friends, and welcome to a really unique and special property, houses with history with Filomena from Vila Real de Santo Antonio.
Hello, welcome.
And come in, welcome. This is 3 stories. It's 2 stories of livable space and then an upstairs deck. And where you get this privacy right in the heart of Vila Real de Santo Antonio, just below you is the hum of the cafes, and you can be in the cafe in 2 seconds. Behind me right there is the church, so you're just right by the historical center of town, shopping, cafes. And they've taken this from a total ruin. I watched it in ruins and I can't believe their insight and their vision. It's perfect inside. Come with me on a little tour. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with my friend Deborah. Welcome to this beautiful 3-story historic home where traditional character meets comfortable living. On the main floor, you'll find an open plan living and dining area, a kitchen, a bathroom. I love the barn door. Everybody should have barn doors, even if you don't need. And a lovely private courtyard. A wonderfully useful extension of the living space. There's plenty of room in the courtyard for a washer and dryer, as well as an additional storage for beach bags, outdoor items, and everything you need for everyday living. The owners have even preserved the original historic wash bin they discovered, creating another charming space for outdoor food preparation. And here we are in the primary suite with an in-suite bedroom and my friend Deborah and Palmera.
That is fantastic.
Oh yeah, the light.
Oh, look, and they have a side. Yes, and I love these.
And here is the hallway from the primary suite to the secondary room. The original floors.
Those are original.
Wow. And Portuguese bed. And upstairs is the 3rd bathroom.
Simplicity. I love that you don't see the drain here. It's just so seamless. You don't have that crazy drain. No, really smart.
And here's the 3rd space for an office, a nook, a bedroom.
From Africa.
So if you want this, you have to buy the house. And then there's the rooftop, a wonderful private space that can be enjoyed as an outdoor dining area with endless possibilities for creating your own rooftop retreat. And this is brilliant. It was the top, but you make it also a bar.
We have inside the light from here.
I love that they kept the wood on the stairs.
Throughout the home, beautiful historic touches have been carefully preserved.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
This was original.
Exactly. These are things that are original and kept and preserved.
It's all these little details. And this is original? She left this open? Who you're saying was
Very smart.
100 years ago. And the painter did here a good work, and he could restore up to there.
perfect.
After there, he could not.
Look, beautiful. This is Vila's. And the furnishings have been hand-selected to complement its characters. And stay with us because Filomena is going to take us through some of the home's most fabulous treasures, including the beautiful antiques that are included with the sale of the home.
Painting.
This is a house.
That's really great.
Then this
Love
is
it.
furniture.
It looks so, did you see?
History collection. Excellent.
Another house with history with Vila. Vila Milo and Romello are thankful that you visited, and here are those extra clips I promised.
I'm gonna go with it.
Beautiful.
Did you see? Handmade, like in an antiquary.
Oh my. Colors?
And do you know what does this mean? Before you
No.
marry, happy, engaged, happy, feliz noivado.
So this was from
Handmade.
somebody's.
Yes, some family. And that means dream of love.
Oh, I wouldn't know that. Dream of love. This has to be very old, yeah?
I have no idea, but
I see why Vila likes to decorate because you do a great job.
thank you.
Oh, I didn't see the little tiles behind there.
But even her linens, look at the detail.
This is crochet. This is called crochet. It is done by hand with a thin.
Yeah, with a very thin crochet, because a lot of the crochet we think in the States is a thick crochet.
That was beautiful.
Shop in Cascais, and I still have the price.
I love that piece.
So beautiful. Veronica, and here.
Now I love the addition of the little lines and even above the floor.
Oh, like it's just so amazing. I remember when it was in the works here, and I don't have the vision, but you have this vision.
Yes, I can
Amazing.
see everything already finished.
That is a very big talent. Very big talent. I love the courtyard and that you kept the sink.
Property, you really thought about storage and 3 full bathrooms.
I know things have been a little property heavy around here on your American and Portugal show, but some of my friends are selling their beautiful properties and they're more than happy to share them with you. So if you're enjoying the property content, I keep bringing it to you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If it's not your thing, no worries, just keep wandering along with me. But please leave a comment, I'd love to hear what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure. And if you'd like to get in touch with me, you can reach me by email. If you're not already a subscriber, you can also fill out the little contact form I've put in the notes before. Sorry I have to make you jump through a little extra hoop, but these days the bots are absolutely relentless, and putting an email address right in the open just invites them to spam my inbox. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy wandering.